Hello students, today we are learn about the tables in the subject of maths. You can learn the tables. This is today's topic. See the content of definition, table and solve the problems. Here the table. You can see 1 is times of 1 is equal to 1. 1 times of 2 is equal to 2. 1 times of 3 is equal to 3. 1 times of 4 is equal to 4. 1 times of 5 is equal to 5. 1 times of 6 is equal to 6. 1 times of 7 is equal to 7. 1 times of 8 is equal to 8. 1 times of 9 is equal to 9. 1 times of 10 is equal to 10. Okay, who can read the next table, table number 2? Who can read? Okay, yes students. All of you read it. 2 into 1 means 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Next 3 times 1 3. 3 times 2 6. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 4 12. 3 times 5 15. 3 times 6 18. 3 times 7 21. 3 times 8 24. 3 times 9 27. 3 times 10 30. Next, who can read the table 4? Yes, anyone? Yes, you can read the table number 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. You can read the table of 5. Count the table of 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 5 times 7 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. And 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Then remaining tables you can see the next table. But what is, you can write down the tables. Here the table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4 and the table 5. In between there are the table 1. This is the easiest table. But the table 2, how to tricks for the table 2. Then 2 times table. Here write down 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a addition of two numbers. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is, you can write down the 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 plus 2 18. And the 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. This is the tricks for the time 2 table. Then next one, trick for 3 times table. Here write down the 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. You can add the numbers like a 3 times. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. Plus 3, 12. Plus 3, 15. Plus 3, 18. Plus 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. Plus 3, 27. And last one, the 30. Here, tricks for the 4 times tables. This is the difficult table, but you can learn very easy trick. Tricks for 4 times. In a first row, you have to write down 4. And here write down the 8. In this second row, you can write down here 12. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 36. 36 plus 4, 40. This is the easy trick you have to use for the 4 times table. Yes. Tricks for 5 times table. This is the 5 times table. 5 table. 5, you can use this pattern. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 0, here the 0. Then 1. Then 1. Means you can write down the first digit, it's 0. Second digit is 1. First digit is 1. First digit is 2. First digit is 2. Here it's add of 5. 0, 5. Here 0, 1. Here 1, 5. Here 2, 0. Then 3, 0. 3, 5. 4, 0. 4, 5. 5, 0. This is 50. Is the easiest trick for the 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 30. 30 plus 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. Yes, students, this is the next table of table 6 to table 10. Table 6 to table 10. You can read the table. Table 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. After that, the table of 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. 7 times is equal to 14. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 7 times 8 is equal to 56. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. This is the easiest trick. You have to read the table. Then table of 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. Yes, students, you can read the table of 9. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 9 times 10 is equal to 90. Yes, students, you can read the table of 10th. This is the easiest table. Who can read? Yes, you can read that. 10 times 1 is equal to 10. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. 10 times 6 is equal to 60. 10 times 7 is equal to 70. 10 times 8 is equal to 80. 10 times 9 is equal to 90 and 10 times 10 is equal to 100. This is the table of 6 to 10. Then what is the tricks? You have to use the table 6 to table 10. Then you can see here the tricks for 6 times table. Here the table 03, 06, 09 means in a 6 tables you add 3. 03 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is the in a purple color. It indicates 0, 6, 12. 6 times 1, 6. Here 12. Then 18. Then 24. Then 30. This is the trick. Then after that 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. In a number of square boxes, it's a decimated in 06 is the 6 times 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. After that 30, you jump that the first row. Here 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Then tricks for 7 times table. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 7, 60. 49. 49 plus 7, 56. 56 plus 7, 63. And the last one, 70. Here the tricks for 7 digit. You can write down your first digit 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. Then 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6. And the 7, 0. This is the numbering. You can write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's like you can read the table of 7 digits. Then 8 table. This is the 8 table. 8 plus times 1. 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 84. Sorry, 48. 48 plus 8, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 8, 72. And the 72 plus 8, 80. Table of 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. 54 plus 9, 63. 63 plus 9, 72. 72 plus 9, 81. And then 81 plus 9, 90. This is the trick for table time. Table tricks for 9 times table. And then last one 10 times table. You can very easy table. Add for the number of 10 digits. 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 10 40. 40 plus 10 50. 50 plus 10 60. 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 10 80. 80 plus 10 90. And 90 plus 10 100. Here the tables is completed from the 1 to 10. Thank you students. Bye bye. Take care.